everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family, yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Okay, there we go. What am I sharing here? This is for my grocery channel. I got some stuff in here. This is my coffee bar inside of here that needs cleaning so terribly bad. That's my mission for the week. Get inside of this coffee bar cabinet and clean and see what I need to I don't know, do something with it. But it is messy up in here, dusty and dirty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stuff is falling. But this, look at I forgot about, I had that ladybug teapot. I think, what came with that? Cups? I forgot. If it is, they'll be up in this cabinet. Stuff from years ago. Stuff I got from the Dollar Tree when it was $1. Look, I got a cow down there that's dusty and dirty. That's what's happening now, y'all. I'm just sharing a coffee bar that I used to do vignettes on. Once I get the stuff up off of it, I can do it again. Hold up. Let's get out of this dirty cabinet space here. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I hope this thing is filming like this, because I had it vertical now, then turned it horizontal. Okay, what's going on here? While I was in the pantry area, I forgot I had this case of dull pineapple juice. I forgot, I must have got this from Sam's Club. I'm finna put some of these in the refrigerator. I don't got no room to put all of them in there, so. How y'all doing? I found this half a case of dull pineapple juice. I'm finna put some of these in the refrigerator. I already had, like you can see, half of it's gone, but I'm finna put some of these in the fridge. I got the apple juice in there, sodas. I had got a couple of cases of soda. Soda is so expensive. Do y'all know soda is freaking expensive? Who? I used to think when I was shopping at Stater Brothers when I was a couponer back in the day, that when they used to sell their 12 packs for $2.60 or $2.50, I used to think that was incredibly high for soda. Now, shoot, I live to see a 12 pack for $2.50 or something. 12 pack sodas now, some stores got them $11, $12. Are they out of their mind? I was shopping on Walmart and they got them $8.99. Shoot. That's a lot. That's a lot for soda. I'm glad that I am allergic to a bunch of sweets and stuff like that, where I'm not depriving myself of soda or anything. Look at my cute little mummified pies and my lovely little Easter bunny, which can be out year round. I wouldn't just categorize it for Easter decor. These things like my polar bear out everywhere and over here in the kitchen area, it's gonna be out here forever because I love it. I don't care if it's a winter looking thing or not. And just like that bunny, she can sit her little happy, relaxed looking self out here year round as well. Especially my pies and all the other little cute faux plant in the background, sitting on top of this decorative chopping board. Oh yes, oh yes. But I just come through here to put in some work. Hold up. Just created that little vignette over there. I had made a video for my crafting channel. And if you want to see the arrangement I shared on top of the stove, you got to go to the crafting channel. But this is right here. I don't think I shared this part on the crafting channel. But anyway, it'll be in a short, I'm sure. But yeah, I got my little chocolate bunnies, pies, cookbooks, and all that fabulosity stuff. Therapeutic clutter. Oh yes, I love every minute of it. But yeah, I just shared with y'all that filthiness I got to clean up in the coffee bar area inside that cabinet. Shoot, heck no, I ain't been in there in a while. That's why it's all dusty and cruddy. I ain't been in there. I set stuff on top, but shoot, I don't even know how dust and dirt get inside. The thing ain't even open. How did the dirt get inside? Just, can somebody please explain how dirt get inside of something that ain't even open? It's dust. I guess dust has its way of getting inside wherever it want to go, I guess, because that's proof. Dust will come. Shoot, if you ain't cleaning every day, and I know better because, shoot, I used to do custodial work. You got to hit that stuff every dang day. Bathrooms especially. Bathroom can't go a week. Shoot, man. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Yep, you got to clean every doggone day. Shoot, dusting especially. Dusting is one thing you can't get away with. You don't dust, spiders will come and everybody else. I think all the cracks and crevices. Look, it's spring cleaning time, right? Shoot, time to turn over some couches and get up under there and vacuum and stuff. Shoot, I don't know how I'm gonna manage. I'm just looking around now at all the accumulation. I got so much Christmas stuff. I need to go online and try and learn how to sell stuff. Cause shoot, why let the thrift store get it all? Make some money. Be like my YouTube friend over there, Around the House with Cheryl, I believe it is. She started selling stuff online. Shoot, I need to take a tip from her. Start selling all these doggone extra Christmas items that I don't set out anymore. I'm staring at a box now. I need to go through all kind of stuff. Lord, Lord, Lord. I'm trying to think what's in that box right there. Dang, I got shoot, I just got that stuff. I just got to do what I got to do. Make up my mind, get it together, take care of it. I got to go in here and put up all these dang videos. I am exhausted. I don't know about y'all, but I am exhausted. I need an assistant to help me do this stuff. Shoot, they'll be wanting to know how much you paying. Shoot, how about lunch, dinner, breakfast? That's what I'm paying. Feed you, I feed you what you want to eat. Shoot, I need some help. This is, oh my God, I'm looking around at all the stuff I got. I need, then my car went crazy and broke down. This is going to be an expensive repair job. We talking thousands. Oh, got to get it fixed. Can't get no new car. New cars are expensive now. I used to go, quitting talking about what you used to, coulda, shoulda. Stick to the plan. Get back to the video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, hype. What else they call it? Hit the notification bell. Yeah, share your thoughts, ideas, goings-ons, and what's happening in your area and more. I might be slow getting around, but I will get there eventually. Time for me to go look at my show. I ain't looked at Beyond the Gate, and I done seen they added 6 more episodes on my show called The Doc. That's on Hulu. What else? I just got through looking at the rerun of the NWA. No, NWA. I'm saying that wrong. Forget it. You know what I'm talking about. I don't even know why I'm tripping. What? Because I was watching it and what's it called, kept messing it up, and now I'm messing it up. It is the NAACP Association. I just watched that rerun and I enjoyed Viola's speech. She was fierce with it. And Domingan, ooh, that man was dressed so sharp in his mustard suit. Oh my God, so handsome. Ooh, I love a man dressed so handsomely. Ooh, just so beautiful. Let me let y'all go. Y'all have a good day. Happy shopping, all that. I was just carrying on. All right, bye for now. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.